It's not really the size of the box, it's what you're able to do with the box, right? Yeah, let's think outside of it, but still open it up as we play the game, What's in the Box? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Just a PEZ guy struggling with tape again on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Awesome little pack job here. Got his little cocoon. Nice. Oh, look at that. Standard tape. We will go ahead and use that tape against itself and destroy it. Unacceptable. We have a wonderful Sheik. This Sheik happens to be the one with the black band, as you can see here. There's a black band and a red band. You see that right there? So it's on a 3-4 Austria, and the IMC is a number 2, as you can see there. Plastic head spring. So the candy button, I do neglect the candy button. Somebody's been pointing that out to me. So in there you can see the little pink candy button, round. Now if we look at the top, you can see these little pieces right there. Those little pieces are where the band actually snaps into the turbine itself. And let's see how the piece goes in there. I would take it off, but yeah, of course I'm going to take it off. Oh, that came off really easy. There you go. Now you can see on the inside, you can see how the little pegs go inside to hold it in place. Now, there is another version. It's really hard to find, and when you do find it, you're gonna pay for it. But it is a very hard to find version. And the version up here at the top, instead of these, you won't have these holes in the turbine. You'll have these little tabs that stick out right there on the side. Now it's not wanting to go in. I have broken the Sheik. Okay, there we go. So when you look at him, in the corners are where the little tabs are. But the little clip-on band, there's no tabs. Just these little pieces that stick out from the white, and it just snaps right on. That's a harder version to find. This is not the harder version to find. But it is the black band, so it's a harder color to find of the more common version of the dispenser. Yeah, I said that right, didn't I? I don't know. But I did show you what I found and what I got in a little box. See? I don't need to hold on to it. Just need to show it off. Isn't that right, Sheik? Very cool. So until next time...